Happy New Year to you guys. Welcome to my channel, the first video of 2021. In today's video, we are going to be trying out the new technique that I've been seeing all over Instagram, that is highlighting and contouring underneath your foundation. So without being said, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, consider subscribing, guys. This year we are getting monetized. We are halfway there. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's great content here. I make lifestyle and beauty content, so help your sister. Like, don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with that subscribe click button, whatever it's called. Please click it. Turn it to gray. I'm begging. Let's get into this video. Okay, so I am going to start off with my eyes. So we're going to use, guys, this looks so dirty. Believe me, I've tried to clean this. It's just the material, fabric, whatever they use, you know, it stains. No matter if it stains, I can't clean it. So actually it's very dirty. We are going to be using this eyeshadow palette. This is from Signature Cosmetics. This is the Exotic Eyeshadow Palette by Signature, and we're gonna play with this, guys. So first thing first, I'm going into my concealer. Using the Infallible concealer. You've seen me use this a lot of times, guys. So this is very light. Like when I went to buy last year, they did not have my shade, so I was like, I want that, but I'm just gonna settle for anything. The worst has just happened, guys. This eyeshadow just fell down, and yeah, the colors I wanted to use are gone. Okay, so we are going to go in with this face brown over here. I'll use this as a transition shade and blend. This is very pigmented, guys. So I spent New Year's Eve at my parents' house. Like, I went home, so like we had so much food. On Saturday when I was sleeping, I felt so nauseous. I'm like, oh Lord, did I have a lot of, like, too much to eat, or as I got pregnant? Then I woke up on Sunday. Your girl is feeling good, you know, I feel good, everything is okay. So in my mind, I'm like, nah, I can't be pregnant. I'm not pregnant. That's what I thought. The girl comes back home. So I got back home on Sunday. So I came back home because I came early because, you know, I had the Pond's post and stuff video I needed to make for Pond's. So I was like, okay, let me just get home and be quick. Your girl comes home. I sleep on a Friday, no, Sunday, Saturday. I came home on Sunday. I slept, everything is fine. Monday, I woke up feeling somehow. I'm like, no, hell no. I already made up my mind. I'm like, nah, if I'm pregnant. So I'll go back in with a deeper shade and put this in my crease just to add depth to the crease. Okay. So I was like, hell no, there is no way. Why am I feeling this way? I got a VN from my mom. She's like, yeah, happy new year, this and that. And now she tells me, she's like, oh, I was at church, you know, they were praying, and then the pastor, they asked of you, like, this is somebody I just met for the first time. They asked of you, and I was like, no, sure, it's my child. And the pastor is like, no, you're gonna have a child. And the pastor's like, no, you're gonna have a child soon, this and that, guys. Instantly depression mode. I'm like, nah, guys. I told my mom, I'm like, no, mama, like, there's no way. Why didn't your pastor tell you that I'm gonna get money? Your girl needs money. Like, I don't want pregnancy, I don't want babies, I'm fine with the boys that I have. Like, you know, why didn't he say, oh, I'm saying, you know, your child, Shira, she's having endorsements, you know, she's going to be the first of the brand she's been dreaming of, and I'm getting news of, yeah. Oh, there's a child, there's a person that wants to join. Sisters, I don't know if you're a sister or a brother, please chill wherever you are. Mommy is trying to hustle. Okay, I guys, I was even telling my friend yesterday, I'm like, hell no, like, I don't have the energy of going to ANC again, going for antenatal and all this stuff. Like, girl. So my mom is like, no, if you're pregnant, please don't do anything funny. you know, God cannot lie. And I'm like to my mom, I'm like, no, mommy, I need money. Like, seriously, can we stop talking about this baby, you're gonna have a baby? God needs money. Money is what I want. 2021, it's all about money, okay? Money is happiness. I don't know what you think. Argue with yourself. If I didn't have money, all this stuff that I'm using, this quality that you're seeing right now, is money. So I told my mom, I'm like, no, we're gonna pause for that. Then I told my mom how I feel, and she's like, please, I'm begging you. And I was laughing. I'm like, look at this man. God have mercy. Okay, guys, so I'm going to cut the crease. We are just going to, yeah, not like cutting the crease parts roughly, okay? So I'm like to her, no, mommy, me, I need money. I don't need children. She's like, stop saying that. There are people that I'm looking for. I'm like, but my baby is just 8 months old. Like, guys, I was pregnant last year this time. I'm counting months. That's not my portion this year. Hey, I reject it. I'm sorry to say that, but yeah. I don't want babies. Shame. So I woke up this morning. So, and then the thing is, I have been bleeding. It's been 2 weeks now I've been bleeding. So I'm asking. And also, it's not like I'm not taking care of myself, honey. You know, I've been on contraceptives because the girls are playing. I want money. I want babies. You see, so what happened? This morning I woke up and then I felt something move in my tummy. I literally felt something move in my stomach. I'm like, oh no. Guys, mindset, no, your mindset can play with you if you're not careful. Okay, so going in with a flat brush, the colors I wanted to use, they are gone. So guys, I don't know what to do, but I'm interested in this. I'll show it on the screen, but just in case, I'm going in with this color. This is like a dual color. It's like paperish, it's like black, it's like maroon, it's like, you know. So yeah, we're going to use it. 2021, we're not playing. We don't want babies. Oh, this is a beautiful color. I'm gonna repurchase this eyeshadow palette just because I really love it. And then this morning I woke up, I did my mommy duties, you know, I did what I had to do. I have not said anything to my husband because he'll start going on and on. So I'm going in with this paper over here. This is so heartbreaking. I love this eyeshadow palette. I'll just repurchase it. And then we're gonna put the pepper, yeah, in the center of the eye. I'll put this pink in my inner third of the eye. And I'll go in with eyelashes. Okay guys, so I've already gone ahead and done my eyes. I thought I pressed the record button, but it wasn't recording. I just cleaned my face using this cuticular oil control toner, and then I just went in with this what do you call this, a rose water. Let me just do that again. So I just sprayed my face, and then I'll just wait for that to go into the skin. And then as that dries in, I'll just quickly go in with this is Nature's Nourishment Cold Cream. I'll use this to moisturize my face. So with this technique, I get the feeling that you need to prep your skin very well. This is a new trick, guys. I'm going in with pure glycerin. So I have noticed that most makeup primers, most makeup sprays, they contain glycerin. That's because glycerin, you know, it makes stuff stick. So I'll just rub that on my hand, and it's sticky, guys, and I love the feeling, the heat feeling glycerin gives you, and boom, my skin is glowing. So you need to use a lighter concealer, and I feel like this is the lightest concealer that I have. And also you need a very dark contour shade. So in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, this is the darkest that I have. So this is in the shade 330. So I'm going in with a damp sponge and just blend this in. Okay guys, so as we were talking, okay, so today I woke up, I did all that I was supposed to do, and then I just decided, girl, you know what, let me go. In fact, in my mind I was like, you know what, I'm going to get this contraceptive, but I just have to go check. I finally gathered the courage to check myself. Okay, so I did not even buy pregnancy test. I just went to the pharmacy that I go get my contraceptive. I just heard the pharmacist, no, the doctor that comes, like, you know, it comes I think Tuesday, Thursday, no, Tuesday, Thursday, yeah, Tuesday and Thursday. So I was like, you know, I feel like I'm pregnant. Maybe we should consider taking a pregnancy test. Yes. Oh, hey, I saw your girl got a pregnancy test, and my heart was like, boom, 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 boom. Like, I'm not ready, guys. Anyway, long story short, you guys are pregnant. Means I'm allowed to play. The fear that I have for COVID is the same fear that I have for pregnancy. I'm not ready. And for today's foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Fit Me Maybelline and the Black Radiance. This doesn't close very well, guys. So this is my winter shade. Like in winter, I'm this shade. But since it's summer, sometimes I'm under the sun, I have to mix this too. I'm just going to set the face. I don't know how I feel about this technique because I still look flat. I still look plain. I feel like maybe I did not add a lot of the darker foundations. I'm not so sure. I'll just go in this contour palette and I'll use the darkest shade. My face feels so good. Could be my skin prep, not this crap that I was just doing here. So can you see that at least there's a dimension, at least from my hairline? You can see from my hairline to the highlights, you can see the difference. So maybe this technique works only for concealer, but for contour, nah, I don't think so. Going in with blush, and I'm going to take these two shades down here. Okay guys, so we have come to an end of this makeup tutorial. This is the final look that I have on. I went ahead and put on nude lips just because it's 2021, honey. No, just because I feel like it, guys. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm in love. Let's talk about the technique. Do I recommend the technique? Hell no, because you use way too much products and then you prolong the procedure of doing your makeup and stuff like that. And yeah, just do your makeup the normal way. I feel like it just works for the highlights. It doesn't work for the contour. However, with that being said, I feel good. My skin feels good as well. Could be the skin prep that I did. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment on this video. Things like that motivates me to make more videos. Guys, 2020, we are getting monetized. I'm halfway there, guys. I just need more subscribers. But if you watch this part, you like me, like, just subscribe and help me grow. Without peace again, thank you so much. Happy year, and see you in my next video. Bye.